JD,
I was
being
just,
in the real estate,
yo,
how does the credit score? Because, I'm a licensed loan officer. I'm inactive. I'm not doing it. So I know, JD, tell us, man, what do you think about those objections moving on through the stages, man? Give us your opinion.
man, if I can speak from personal experience. I could speak from professional experience too. So, speaking from the speaking with as far as the professional side, what I see with clients, I try to help my clients understand going into this, especially when getting qualified. Me personally, when I'm dealing with someone and I see the excitement in your eyes of you getting ready to purchase your first home, you're looking at the sizes, the home that has the perfect size. You may be getting ready to have a baby. You may be looking with your fiance. You guys are getting ready to get married, and you have this picture in your head of what it's going to look like and what the process is going to be like. And I've seen couples start looking at homes and doing all that good stuff, and they get ready to get qualified, and something happens. Something unexpected happens. They don't have the right amount of credit. They have extra debt. They have something come, they don't get qualified for the amount that they're gonna get. And a lot of times what I notice is some people carry those issues in the back of their head before they even take the next step.
That's good.
So I try to get my clients to understand, like, look, one, let's map this out, do it the right way. Let's not jump the gun. Let's not start looking, let's not start popping the champagne before we sign paperwork. Like, before, or in sports analogy, let's not pop champagne before we've had first practice. We got some steps we got to go through. So very first step, you got to get qualified. You got to figure out what your budget is. And I always let them know, look, no matter what, this is going to be good news. You're going to either, I don't like to deal in the area of rejection and qualify. I like to deal in the area of, like I said, it's going to be good news or good news. Either you're going to find out that you're qualified for more than what you planned you were qualified for, or you're qualified and ready to go right now for what you're looking for, or you're going to find out you need to do X, Y, and Z to get qualified.
Yeah.
Either thing is good news, because before you found out what you needed to do to get qualified, you had no idea that was an issue. So you're still a step ahead of where you were at before you made that call. And it's the same thing when it comes across on this and building your business. The same thing, like Marcus said in the beginning, get started. You got to get started somewhere. Take advantage of the knowledge that's in front of you right now, and just get the information to find out where you stand. Because I guarantee you will feel better starting now and figuring out everything you need to get done, figuring out what you need to get done, and getting it done a lot sooner than sitting still and missing out on an opportunity. You have to you got to think about what you're doing for you in 5 years. What is 5 years? What is you? Is you from 5 years gonna? If you from 5 years could hop in the time machine and come back and tell you, hey man, like give you information on what's going on with your life, you want it to be good news, or you want it to be, hey man, we doing the same old shit still.
But JD, I need money now, man. I can't wait 5 years.
But you got to get started somewhere now to get the money in 5 years or in 5 months, whatever the case. But you don't know what that is until you get started.
Exactly.